hope you're doing good. My name is Pranav Pule and I'm going to talk about cubes and cube roots on the behalf of Tutor Here. So what are cubes? If a natural number m can be expressed as n cube, where n is an integer, then m is said to be a cube number. It can be expressed as n cube or n raised to 3. Perfect cubes. Consider the numbers 1, 8, 27 and so on. These are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. Each of them is obtained when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. For example, 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, and so on and so forth. There are the values of cubes of numbers in the range 1 to 20. You can pause the video if you want to memorize it or note it down in your notebook. Now, the properties of cube numbers. If a number has 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 in its units place, it will have the same value in the units place of the cube number. If a number has 3, 7 in its units place, the cube number will have 7, 3 in the units place respectively. And similarly, if the number has 2, 8 in the units place, cube number will have 8, 2 in its units place respectively. What I'm trying to say is, if we have a number which has 0, 1 or 4 or 5 or any number from the first point in its units place, it will have the same value in the units place of the cube number. Now, if we have 3 or 7 in the units place, we'll have 7, 3 in the units place respectively. So suppose if the number is 343, we'll have 7 in the units place of the cube number. And if the number is 747 instead of 343, we'll have 3 in the units place respectively. They just get interchanged. With a similar logic, if we have 242 as a number in the square, then the cube will have 8 in the units place. And if we have 888 in the units place, then the cube number will have 2 in the units place. Prime factors and cube numbers. Now, since we know that 4 is equal to 2, 2, 6 is equal to 2, 3 and so on, we can write 4 cube, that is 64, is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. Similarly, 6 cube can be written as 2, 3 into 3, 3 and so on. Let's try some questions. Question 1. Is 729 a perfect cube? And question number 2. Is 243 a perfect cube? So, in question 1, 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3 multiplied 6 times. So, if we follow this method, we can club numbers who are in a group of 3. Therefore, 729 becomes 3, 3, 3 in one group and 3, 3, 3 in another group. Hence, the root of 729 is 3 into 3, which is 9. Similarly, in question 2, 243 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3 multiplied 5 times. Hence, we cannot form a group of 3. Therefore, 243 is not a perfect cube. Another way of finding cubes is adding consecutive numbers. Observe the following patterns of sum of odd numbers. 1 is equal to 1, that is 1 cube. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, that is 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 27, which is 3 cube, and so on. Smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Now, this is a concept which we are going to learn using an example. Suppose we have to find whether 392 is a perfect cube or not. And if not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Answer. So 329 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So following the method of group of 3s, 2 can be, using 2 we can form a group of 3. I don't think we can form a group of 3 using 7. Hence, 392 is not a perfect cube. So what is the smallest number which is near to 392 that makes it a cube? So if we multiply 392 with 7, we will get a group of 3s. We will get a group of 3 of 7s. Hence 392 into 7, that is 2744, is a perfect cube. I hope you understood the concept. So these are some cube roots that you have to remember. It's just simple. If you know the cubes of the numbers, finding out cube roots is quite simple. Find a cube root, we use factorization method. So let's try it. Let's try a question. Find a cube root of 8000. So answer. Prime factorization of 8000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So again, using the same method, we split it into the group of 3, and hence we get 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. Therefore, the cube of 20 is equal to 8000. If you got the concept, for practice, you can try to find the cube root of 3375, 74088, and the third one, it's a big number. So if you see a big number, don't panic, just follow the method. Method is the base, and you can solve any question using the method that I've shown. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. And yeah, meet you in the next video.